The category here is OTC. These are over-the-counter medications. Anything that is on the line under a squiggly line is a subcategory. So our first subcategory here is antifungals. I have three antifungals here: Lamisil, Lotrimine AF, which would be antifungal, Monistat. Lamisil is terbinafine. Lotrimine antifungal has two brand names, clotrimazole or miconazole. Either or is correct. Monistat is also miconazole. So I have underlined here azole, azole, azole. Quick thing to remember, azoles are antifungal. So if you see a medication with azole at the end, most likely it is going to be an antifungal. Okay, miconazole is Monistat. Miconazole is also Lotrimine AF. Clotrimazole is Lotrimine AF. Terbinafine is Lamisil. Next, I have one antibacterial here. And this antibacterial is a very well-known one, and it has three brand names. The antibacterial is Neosporin. Neosporin is neomycin, bacitracin, and polymycin. Neomycin is Neosporin. That's the brand name for Neosporin. Bacitracin is also a brand name for Neosporin. Polymyxin is also a brand name for Neosporin. What does this mean? That means that you can go to the doctor and you get a prescription for Neosporin. And your doctor says this is an over-the-counter, so your insurance does not even need to be ran. So you go to Walmart and you go through the aisles and you see a medication that says bacitracin. When you look at the ingredients, you're going to see Neosporin. You can pick it up. If I go to Target, for example, and I pick up polymyxin and I look in the back of the box, I will see Neosporin as well. We picked up the same medication, just different brand names, okay? Next, we're doing the antihistamines. Antihistamines are these medications that you take when you have allergies, okay? The first one is a very well-known one is Benadryl. Next, we have Claritin and Zyrtec. Benadryl is diphenhydramine. Diphenhydramine. Claritin is Loratadine. Loratadine is Claritin. Zyrtec is cetirizine. Cetirizine. The three of them and the brand names all end in, which is why I underlined them. I also added those dots because they have in common the INE at the end with terbinafine. So, Benadryl is diphenhydramine, Loratadine is Claritin, and cetirizine is Zyrtec. Diphenhydramine is Benadryl, Claritin is Loratadine, Zyrtec is cetirizine, okay? Next, we have two more medications. They each have their own subcategories. However, I wrote their subcategories in green because both of these are over-the-counter medication that you would take for a stomach problem. Antidiarrheal, that's for your stomach. The generic name here is Imodium, and then the brand name is Loperamide. If you've ever took an over-the-counter antidiarrheal, go look at it right now. If it says Imodium, look at the active ingredient is most likely Loperamide. Look at you being a little pharmacy tech. Next, you have laxative. This is also called a stool softener. Colace is also Docusate. Colace is Docusate. These are the first subcategory under OTC medications.